Hello, Tyler, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I'm trying to get my guys that live in the area that you live in or close to get more customers for their businesses, So local guys, they do some business with me, and I just want to, when you get hit with wind and hail damage, I want to send them out to you. So if you fall upon this video, and you want a free roof checkup, complimentary, local guys, then what we'll do, click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my website. Watch that video, fill out that form, and myself or one of my guys will give you a call. We're looking for wind and hail damage, and if there is enough damage, then we'll take you through the process with your insurance company. And if there's not, then we'll wait for another big storm to come through 9 months later, 18 months later, something like that. We'll be your roof checkup guys, like the dentist, the roof dentist. Go ahead, click the link in the description. Thank you so much for checking us out. Have a great day. Talk to you later.